Okay, y'all. So on this one, we're going to be working on our legs. We're going to be doing 5 sets of 4. We want to go be slow and steady on this one because this workout machines with the legs can really, if you're not careful, can hurt yourself. So we want to be as careful as possible. So I'm going to demonstrate and show y'all how I do it. 5 sets of 4. Okay, let's go. One, slow and steady, y'all. You don't want to move too fast. You want to be very careful. All right.